Alright, I'm back in Geoguessr. However, look what I've got. That's right, it is a bunch of comments that you guys left on the previous video with advice that will help me out in Geoguessr country streaks. So, anytime I get stuck in this video, I'm just going to reference back to those comments and see if they can help me out. But immediately, I think I can see a flag of Slovakia or Slovenia over there. I'm pretty sure it's Slovenia, so I think I might just commit to it, to be honest, seeing as we're only on number 1. Yes, very nice. That is the first one down. See, look at me. I know what I'm doing. I don't need your comments. I don't need your help. Stay away. I'm completely stuck. I have no idea where I am. Right, so, a fella called Matthew Leonard quoted me in the previous video. I'm thinking New Zealand, but it might be Scotland. That giant glowy thing in the sky, am I a joke to you? So he's basically making fun of me, telling me that I should look at the position of the sun to work out which hemisphere I'm in. So apparently, if the sun is in the south, you're generally in the northern hemisphere, and if the sun's in the north, you're in the southern hemisphere. Now, on this occasion, it's quite cloudy, but I think the sun's here, which means that we would be in the northern hemisphere. Oh, we have some text on the ground. What does it say? No legal? No legal's kind of broken English as opposed to just English, so I don't quite know what to make of that. Where did that mysterious car go? I wanted to check its registration plate, because there's a load of clues on registration plates. Right, that doesn't look like it's an EU plate, but we can't tell for certain from this distance. Oh, hang on, he's back again. Hello, are we overtaking him? Oh, we are not getting many clues there. This does feel like it's maybe Sweden, because of all of the nice trees and whatnot. Although I guess that wouldn't work with the fact that we didn't see an EU plate. What about this guy? See, I don't see any bit of blue on that registration plate. I don't think this is an EU country. We're in a rural spot with not that many clues, aren't we? Look at that nice big lake. The cars don't look particularly American though. You know, they're usually a little bit chunkier, aren't they? Why is this highlighted? Get out of it! Stop being highlighted! Look at that car. Can we see the car? Oh, the car's gone. Oh, he's right there! Hello! Sorry about that. I can't see either of his registration plates. We can see him though. It's a nice little car. Here we go. 50 meters. Where is this? Look at these houses. I might go Norway. Shall I go Norway just so we can move on? I feel like I maybe should. Oh, hang on. We're finally getting to something. Oh, let's not go Norway. Okay, I got some advice about this Cyrillic language, alright? XSuperL left a load of advice, but they also said the Cyrillic alphabet is very common. It's in Belarus, but there's no street view. It's in Bulgaria. It's in Kazakhstan, which doesn't have any street view. It's in Kyrgyzstan, Macedonia, and Russia. So to me, this might be Russia. And also, if we see Latin mixed in with the Cyrillic, which maybe we do, there is an A and a H there, that suggests it could be Serbia or Montenegro. So still at this point, we haven't narrowed down our options. Looking around though, and looking at the cars, I think it's probably Russia. I think I might just go Russia. Yeah, let's go for it. Guess. It was Russia. It was Russia. I was worried for a second there when it panned over to the Americas, but we're okay. Okay, we're on a streak of 2. Get in there, Jack. Can't read that registration plate. It's too blurry. Oh, we got a little windmill though, which is nice. So we might be in the Netherlands, just based on that purely alone. And it is quite flat as well. I think I had a comment about the Netherlands. Netherlands have yellow plates with a blue thingy on the side. Okay, let's look for some yellow plates. Oh, that's a black plate. I've not seen that before. What's that say? It says Ultopolawa. Alright. Oh, where's the sun? We should be checking the sun, shouldn't we? It's in the north. Oh, so we're southern hemisphere. So we're not even in Europe. It's surely somewhere in South America then, in that case, isn't it? I mean, I don't want to always get sucked into the sun, but I think usually it is really, really helpful. It doesn't look South American though, or at least what my mind thinks South America looks like. Skelp Mesni na Naulj. Okay. We've got some little symbols here. Where am I? It really does feel more European, but the sun, Jack. Yeah, I'm not sure we can read into the sun. I don't think that's helpful enough. Globetrotter. Okay, I see a few globetrotters in my time here in the UK. Although, thinking about it, if they're globetrotters, that doesn't really narrow it down, does it? PL. Poland? Let's go Poland. We'll go Poland. I'm sure the sun was in the south there, but we'll click guess. Yes, we are good. I think it was too cloudy for me to be able to tell. The sun here is definitely in the north, so we're southern hemisphere, okay? And looking around, southern hemisphere, it could be somewhere like Indonesia or Singapore, maybe. They've got nice palm trees, it's very nice weather. Oh, hang on. Oh, no way. Are we in Tonga? I don't know if I can find Tonga. Tonga, right there. That's the Tongese flag. Shall we go for it? I think we're going to have to go for it. Yes. Oh. Right. I was so excited then. Excellent news. It was New Zealand. I guess it was just someone that was from Tonga in New Zealand. I shouldn't have got sucked into that flag as quickly as I did. From the top. Okay, this looks like England to me. Is this nice old England? Malden. Oh, I'm not sure it is England. Let's have a look at this side of this van if we can. Van den Boon. .nl Netherlands. Very, very English looking motorway, that one. Yes. Nice. Next one. Right, this looks Scandinavian to me. Do you know, when I was a kid, this was my dream car, and it's a very odd car. Like, this colour and everything. What is it? A Chrysler Cruiser? Why did I want that? I'm not sure, Jack. Right, is it possible to have a double Netherlands? Is that possible? Check where the sun is. Sun's in the south. Yeah, that would make sense. Oh my god, look, it's got a Massey Ferguson tractor on the side of the car. I'm named after this tractor. Fantastic stuff. Now, in the previous video, I had a lot of very angry Lithuanians, such as Bricks in Lithuania, who said, come on, Jack, stork nests over posts are totally a Lithuanian thing. The white stork is the national bird of Lithuania, and comparing Poland to Lithuania is the same thing as comparing Ireland to England. They are similar, and they have a similar history, but they are not the same. I'm just kidding, of course. Great video. So I am keeping my eyes peeled throughout this video for any storks on top of lampposts, because as soon as I see a stork on a lamppost, I'm clicking Lithuania. Although I don't think that's where we are here. I think we're in somewhere like Sweden. We do have an EU plate there as well, so I guess that means it's not Norway, because Norway's not in the EU, is that right? And we went to Denmark in the last video, and this feels different to Denmark. Whoa, look at the length of those words. I think we should be going with Sweden. They've got some long words, haven't they? Or should I be going with Finland? Feels like it might be Finland. We do have a very big streak. We don't want to lose that streak. It's a really good streak. Oh, hang on. .ee. I think that's Estonia, which is close to Finland, so I was close. Okay, let's guess. Right, nice, nice, nice. Right, we're off again. And what have we got this time? Let's have a little zoom here. Ooh, Boo Super. Is that what that says? What about this wheelie bin? Can I have a good look at that? There's a domain name on that wheelie bin, I think, but I just can't get a good look at it. Right, one of these wheelie bins we will be able to look at. This is very delightful, by the way. I'm thinking somewhere like Singapore off the bat, although the text doesn't look very Singaporean, does it? Now, I did have some angry people from Singapore also comment on the previous video. Avery, the Cuban American, said, for future reference, 74% of Singapore is ethnically Chinese. So this was because I kept saying that I was in a Chinatown and I was actually just in Singapore. Loyang Rise. Okay, I don't know which countries in Asia use Latin text, so I think Singapore do. Do we want to go with Singapore? But I think Malaysia do as well. But let's just keep exploring. We're in no rush. Here we go, here we go. There's going to be something useful on here, isn't there? Seo Lap. Chinese temple, right? I don't think we're actually getting anything. Oh, hang on, just check this comment. Malay, language of Malaysia, often uses the Latin alphabet, but it's common for it to use the Arabic and Japanese alphabets as well. So, could be Malaysia, but I guess I've not seen the Arabic or the Japanese alphabet. I've only seen Latin. Right, so a commenter called Blue, who's from Singapore, they gave me a load of information. Jack, fish markets are iconic to Singapore, so we're not in a fish market, so that's not super useful. If we see a hawker's centre, we're definitely in Singapore. They also pointed out that I missed a literal Singapore flag. I'm gonna keep going, you know. I'm not sure this is Singapore at all. Can we have some flags in the windows, please? That would be delightful. Oh, hang on, hang on. Oh, look at this. Different languages. Is any of that Arabic? Because that would suggest Malaysia based on that other person's comment. What do you think? Do we go Malaysia? I'm scared, guys. I'm really scared. Oh, .sg. It is Singapore. And I guess Singapore and Malaysia are next to each other, so you can see why I'd get mixed up. Alright, thank goodness. I should have just trusted myself from the beginning. This is a nice spot. There's the sun. The sun is in the north, so we are in the south. So we thinking down here somewhere by the looks of things? Definitely doesn't look like Africa. Potentially could be somewhere down Australasia, but I'm thinking it's probably somewhere in South America for now. Oh, it's nice. Look at the view over there. Those mountains. I like them. I like them a lot. It's a very orange vehicle. I do like it though. Let's head down to where the coast is, and hopefully it might get a bit more touristy, and we might see some patriarchy regarding flags and whatnot. Oh, what's this? For sale in English as well. There's going to be domain on there, but I don't think it's good enough quality to read it. Oh, Australia Post. It says Australia Post, and we got a little Australian postman, I think. Perfect then. It really didn't look that much like Australia to me, but I suppose, yeah, I guess it does, doesn't it? Fair enough. All right, guess. Nice. Next round. Okay, we're on 4. How are we only on 4? What's that? I thought that was a little man. That's not a little man at all. What's this mess? This is an absolute monstrosity. All right, we're in another lovely spot, but when they're rural, I really generally struggle. Immediately, I'm thinking Norway. I'm thinking Canada, but we shall go from there. All right, hopefully we can read these signs. Guba, Gali, Ruti, Bistogafen. That does not sound very Canadian to me, but alas, we will continue going down here, and we'll hopefully stumble upon something. It's a nice spot. I like it. Oh my god, I would sit right there. I would sit so hard right on that bench. I love a bench. I genuinely really do. Right, where is this? What on earth? I'm almost thinking it could be the Faroe Islands, like somewhere around here. Yeah, just down there they are. Okay, we'll think about it. Oh my god, I'm never gonna get down here, am I? It's taken such a long time. What is going on? Every single house is just half built and only made of wood. Switzerland! We're in Switzerland! I assume that's Switzerland anyway. I can't get a good look at it, but I mean, it would make sense by the beautiful landscape and the mountains, wouldn't it? Let's go Switzerland. Sorry, Faroe Islands, not today. Guess! Yes! Okay, we're at 5. Let's get to 6. Oh, mixing it up. Right, we're down in the Middle East somewhere. This is very exciting. Oh, we might have some flags on these streets. To me, this looks like it could be Jordan. I don't remember reading many tips about the Middle East, but I'm sure we could find a flag along here somewhere. I'm trying to look at the registration plates, and they all just seem to be white. There doesn't seem to be any kind of key features on them. Oh, that's a flag! That is the flag of Jordan, so... all my batteries run out. Right, we are going Jordan. We have gotten quite lucky with our flags, I have to say. Yes, very nice. We're now at 6. Oh, look at that cathedral. That's a delight. Try and slide the registration plates on the way past. I'm not really seeing anything. Oh my god, it's far too bright. There we go. We're okay. Right, the graffiti is not in English, so that's a bit of a giveaway. Do we go under the cathedral? Oh, hang on. This is in English. Your professional kitchen supply since 1920.be, so I guess that's Belgium, isn't it? It's not going to be anywhere else. Please don't be anywhere else. Yes? Yes, we're good. Next round, please. Oh, here we go. Sale agreed. Bailey's. Well, congratulations, Bailey. This looks like it is England to me. Is United Kingdom? Yeah, it's United Kingdom as a whole. We don't have to worry about Scotland. But we do have to worry about the Republic of Ireland. But I think we're hopefully okay. It doesn't look like Ireland to me. Got a red wheelie bin. See, it's things like a red wheelie bin that I'm not ready for. I've never seen a red wheelie bin in my life. Look at them all. They're everywhere. They're maroon, if anything. Maybe it's a Welsh thing. Maybe we're in Wales. But if we're in Wales, it wouldn't matter. We'd still get the point. Marine Drive. So we're close to the seaside. Let's head to the seaside and it'll probably get touristy. Oh, yeah. There it is. There's the seaside. Very nice. Ice cream parlour. Any clues on the side? No. Private hire? No. It says .co.uk. So I think we can be safe in just clicking with UK, can't we? I think it's somewhere in Wales. I'm going to guess. Yes, we're good. Oh, it wasn't. It was bottom of the country towards Chichester. Fair enough. We're doing okay now. We're on 8. Where is the sun, please? The sun is in the southeast. So we are in the north. Looks nice and Spanish, or maybe Italian, maybe even French, maybe even Turkish. Who knows? We've got Los Casted Santo Tomas, and we've got a very nice pool. That looks lovely. Oh, this could be somewhere delightful. I don't think it should be too long before we find a flag, to be honest. Are we EU? Let's try these cars up here, get a better look at them. Yes, there is a little hint of blue there, so we are in the EU. I think it's Spain, potentially even like Tenerife or somewhere. It says stop in English. Oh man, I don't know what to think anymore. I really don't. Here we go. We have made it to the coast. It's somewhere that has a lot of English tourists, isn't it? So I still think it's probably Spain. Alright, so Kim Jong-un, who's a big fan of the channel, he said it's like Spanish or Portuguese or something. I mean, to be fair, French is a Romance language, but not quite like the others. Big tip, a word that shows up often in French rounds is sortie. This means exit. If you see the word sortie on a sign, it's in French. Right, we will keep our eyes peeled for the word sortie. What on earth's that? What's that meant to be? Is it meant to be a boat? Is it a ball? I don't like it. You've done a dreadful job. Ooh, that looks like a French sign to me, but maybe not. Oh, I'm so scared to commit one way or the other. I don't know. Here we go. It's all come together. Spain. Spain, UK, EU. I guess we gotta go Spain. Okay, Spain. Nice. I'm really excited for Lithuania. I want to see some storks in nests on top of lampposts, but we're not getting any. What the hell, man? Ooh, Grax and Bozier. See, that sounds French. We've got these little church things, which I remember seeing in kind of Polish rounds and that sort of area of Europe. Oh, hang on. What we got? .com. Oh, you son of it. Oh, you. That looks French, though, that text. Shall I gamble and shall I just have a little bit more confidence in myself and click on France? I don't know if I should. Oh, look at that. It's the crossing out of the town things, which is like Poland, it's Lithuania, I think it's Estonia as well. It might even be Denmark. Oh, man. I don't know where I am. I haven't a clue, to be honest. What the hell is that? Who did that? What am I even looking at there? That's ridiculous. Oh, hang on. We've reached a built-up area. Oh my god, there's a bunch of coffins. So, looking at all of this text, that once again kind of feels French to me. Scroll on down. We should have a... do we not have a domain? It's on the back, isn't it? .be. It's Belgium. That's where we are. That makes sense. It neighbours France. That's why there's like hints of it kicking about. There we go. I think we've had Belgium before in this video. Right, where are we here? We are in the south, so Northern Hemisphere again. Okay. Here's our language, which doesn't mean very much to me, unfortunately. I really need to get better at recognising languages. I can recognise South Korean now quite easily, but I can't recognise French. It's a bit of a shame. Oh, we got some... oh, they're not flags. They're ice creams. What's this? You have to be 18 to go into the ice cream shop. What are you selling in that ice cream shop? about. We've not identified if we're in the EU or not yet, so keep an eye out for the next car that we come past. Here it is, here it is. Ooh, it looks like it's blue on both sides. Did I see a comment about that? No, but this could be quite handy. DNG said, when you're in Italy, Spain or France, if you find a sign like the one you found in France, the termination is different. For France, it's Tion, for Spain, it's Sion, and for Italy, it's Zion. I will definitely keep that in mind. That would have definitely been useful in that Spanish round. The number plates are really interesting. There's definitely a bit more blue to them than normal, isn't there? Look at that. That's a lot of blue. That's a thick blue, but at least we know it's EU. Here we go. What does this mean? We've got some SZs. Now, which countries have a lot of SZs? It's Hungary, isn't it? Look, SZ right there. SZ. Do we dare go Hungary? Izemi. Let's just happen to see if we stumble upon Izemi anywhere. I don't know if the SZ thing is enough to go on, but I am suspicious of Hungary, definitely. Watch out for deer. Yeah, you get a bit of deer in Hungary. It's all making sense. Let's return to the start. This is not the way to go, is it? We'll go down this way instead, and let's have a look at this nice sign. What does that nice sign say? I can't read it. Oh, here we go. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to make of that at all. Oh, it's doing that crossy out sign thing that it turns out half of Europe bloody does. I don't know where to go. Do you reckon we just go with Hungary? That feels like a bit of a gamble just because of the SZ. I'm going for it, I'm going for it. It was Hungary. Oh, man, that was a bit of a gamble because I just didn't really have any clue. Unfortunately, we seem to be stuck in one of those rural areas where there's not too much going on. Got a little sign there. I guess I should have a look at that. 7906. Interesting. Right, it's very slow down this way, so I'm going to return to the start, and I'm going to go the other way. We're going to hope that it... Oh, it's just as slow. Oh, no, 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 no. We picked up. We picked up. Oh, the weather's just turned bad. Oh, it's all right. The weather's good again. Lucas Fur Pools. Ooh, that suggests maybe Canada or America, maybe. Surely if it's the US, we should be able to find a flag soon, and I think we've literally just stumbled upon one as I said that. Yep, there it is. Nice, we're on 12. Let's see if we can beat our streak of 15. That's our all-time best. Ah, we're in the middle of nowhere again. Why are you doing this to me? Where's the sun? The sun is in the south, so we're in the north. Next step is to check the number plates, but I can't see any cars, so what can you do? Oh, we've got this though. Orso Marso. Okay. Lago di Rosel. Very interesting. It's all coming together. There was a sign there that feels important. Can't quite make it out though. That looks like the Somalian flag at the top there, but I don't think we're in Somalia. Oh, we've got a map. If we could get him to zoom out a bit, that'd be really helpful. There's a car. It's EU. It's the double blue EU. We wouldn't be in Hungary again, would we? Was it even Hungary that had the double blue? I don't think it was. Oh, we got a bit of text. Itinerarios. Oh, God. Right. Are we thinking maybe Finland then, with how long the words are? Maybe. But there's still many other places it could be, I think. See, look at that. That doesn't look Finnish at all, does it? La Gemma del Parco. It sounds Spanish or Italian or French or something. It does not sound Finnish. None of these comments are helping me. I don't know what to do. Excuse me. Do you know where we are? Look at that little dog in the background. Oh, he's chasing after the car. That's amazing. Oh, he's running along with us. This is incredible. Look at him in that one. Faroe Islands. That's where I reckon we are. Do you know what? I might just have to commit to it because I'm not finding much else. I think we do. It's got the right kind of landscape to an extent. It's got some long words. It's in the EU. Is Faroe Islands in the EU? Yeah, it's part of Denmark, isn't it? Yes. All right, I'm going for it. Okay, guess. Italy? I never would have said Italy for that. No way. Did not see that coming at all. Particularly so low down. You'd think it looked way too cold. Those fella in a woolly hat. What was going on? Alright, there we go. That was Geoguessr with your help. Please keep leaving tips in the comments and hopefully I will only get better and better. Thank you for watching and I'll see you later.